Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to direct you again how to improve your speaking skill using a short story related to the use of simple past tense. We use simple past tense to express an action or an activity which happened in the past. We form on the pattern of simple past tense is subject plus verb to. Then for negative sentences we use did not after the subject plus verb 1. And then to make it to make it question form we use did plus subject plus verb 1. We can also use question words like what, when, why and how plus did plus subject plus verb 1. Now to improve your speaking skill, you should listen to me carefully and repeat after me sentence by sentence when I tell you a short story. Are you ready? Now please listen to me carefully, sentence by sentence. Yesterday was the first day of school. John and Mary got up early. They washed and dressed and had breakfast. After breakfast, they went to school. Alright, do you still remember the story? Well, you should be able to retell it. Now, listen and repeat after me, sentence by sentence to improve your speaking skill. Yesterday was the first day of school. John and Mary went to school. They got up early and they had breakfast. After breakfast, they went to school. Alright, now please listen and answer my questions. Question number 1. Was yesterday the first day of school? Question number 2. Did John and Mary get up early? Did they have breakfast? What did they do after they had breakfast? The last question. Did they wash and dressed? Well, hopefully that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching.